Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with a project share. It's March and St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, and I wasn't going to make any St. Patty's Day cards. I really wasn't planning, but my husband's family is Irish, and it's I should make Irish cards every year, but anyway, sometimes I just don't feel in the mood. But okay, so I made 12 cards, and they're all the same. They have to be the same. A lot of people ask me, or my friends ask me, why do you make them all the same? And I was like, because you know, sometimes people get hurt when you make the other person a different card, and my husband doesn't want anybody to have any hard feelings. But anyway, and it's okay because I have to make sure I have enough for all the cards, and so um, I am just using what I have. I had some extra um, St. Patty's Day paper. I used the same paper that I used on my tag for the Dewey Nutting tag. So I had extra, so I figured perfect. I'm gonna just go with that. So I used 110 cardstock from Michael's Craft, and here's the pattern paper and just green, regular green cardstock. Um, I forgot, I have to put Made with Love. Hold on. Um, and here it is. So it's a very simple card. I'm kind of using the same layout that I used with my Valentine's Day cards. This is a Studio G stamp. I already put it away. It says Happy St. Patty's Day, and then I used this stamp, um, this script stamp here, and I think I'm gonna leave this out because I think I'm gonna want to use these more because they just add a little something to the stamp. Okay. And then I used some twine, and I bought this twine at the Dollar Tree, not knowing. I said, "Ooh, green! I can use green." And I did my double bow. I think it's the finger bow that I learned years back. I added this trim that was in my stash, and I think it was a Target trim back in the day, and it's a gold rickrack, and it's so sparkly. It is pretty. So I added that because Irish and gold coins and luck of the Irish, blah blah blah. And then I wanted something in the middle of the bow. I don't have bright gold bling that would go with this, so I used sequins. So I added a sequence to the center and then also on the card itself. And I just added you know, um, three of them on the card. Um, yeah, and that is my simple Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day cards. And I have them all here. I just have to write them out, and um, yeah, all 12 of them are here. So this is my St. Patrick's Day cards for 2021. I hope you enjoy. Just to let you know, I still have those D-stashes on my channel. If you're still interested, go ahead and visit. Um, yeah, and send me an email. I know it's not stamps or dies yet. I will be getting those out once these items are sold, or if they are not going to be sold, I'm just going to donate them. So yeah. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks everyone.